everyone. Oke, kita mulai aja ya. Even it's still 8 participant in here, but I think we can start ya. Before we start, who wants to lead our prayer for today, kids? Oke, yang rela hati, come on. Who wants to lead our prayer? Oh, I think Nona aja ya. Because we miss Nona. Okay, come on Nona, please lead our prayer.
Ready to pray. Let's pray together. Dear God, thank you for today. Today we are going to start our learning. Please bless our connection to be good and bless all the students to know the study. Thank you, God.
Amen. Okay, thank you Nona. So, how was your weekend, kids? Next week kita libur loh. Nothing?
Great, man.
Oh, great. Okay. I hope so ya. Miss juga berharap gitu weekendnya ya. Because next week kita akan holiday, next weeknya juga holiday. Jadi, this May is full of holiday. Oke, jadi kalau misalnya ada waktu belajar, semangat. Karena nanti kalian puas. Nanti kalian you can enjoy the holiday ya, next week. Okay, kids. Before we start our lesson, let's play some games, okay? Are you ready, kids? Coba Miss absen dulu di sini ya, siapa aja yang already join. Oke, Noel not chat ya, Noel, Jessia. Oh wait, how is Jessia? Coba, soalnya si Cici jarang join nih. What's going on? Ada yang tahu? No?
Nothing, Miss.
Nothing ya. Maybe still bad connection. Okay lah. Okay, now kids, we will play some games. It's about guessing the emoticon. Coba, siapa yang tahu apa itu emoticon? Yang kalau
Emoji.
Yes. Yes, emoji ya, like ya gini, ya kan, laugh or ini emot apa ini ya? Bingung ya, atau shock, terkejut, surprise. Okay, nah, we will have some games like this ya to guess the emoticon. But this for the clue is for fruit. Okay, cluenya adalah buah-buahan. Okay, coba ya, let's play. If you can guess what is the fruit, the name of the fruit, you can unmute yourself ya. Okay, can you see my screen, kids? It's white. Where is the emoji, Miss? Okay, ini cuma awalnya doang. Biar agak-agak mata itu sehat gitu nengoknya yang blank gitu ya. Yes, today we are going to discuss project, but after this game ya, kids ya. After this game, I will explain our project, okay? Okay, so let's guess this. Oke, wait ya, Miss sepertinya. Aduh, belum terkejut. Come on, coba. What's the name of fruit of this?
Cherry.
Okay, who's this? Who's that?
Nona.
Nona ya. Okay, let's
Miss,
see
to answer, just answer, right, Miss?
Yes, just answer. Unmute aja. No need to type ya. So let's see our answer. Yes, it's true ya. It's cherry. Chair and plus E. So it's gonna be cherry. What about this? I think you have to know
Watermelon. Watermelon. Watermelon.
Why watermelon? Can you explain why watermelon? How come?
Because there is a water plus M and have the man. Watermelon.
That man is named Elon Musk.
Yes, that's true. That's true, kids. It's water, and the name of this person is Elon Musk. Ini udah famous ya, tokoh ya. Coba, tokoh apa ini? Coba, who is Elon Musk?
He makes Tesla and SpaceX.
Yes. Jadi itu sangat terkenal ya, dia punya perusahaan, terus terkenal sama emas-emas gitu. I'm not sure, but yeah, it's Elon Musk ya. Okay, let's continue. Yes, watermelon, watermelon, water. Okay.
Pineapple, pineapple, pineapple.
Okay, Nona again. Let's see, is it true? It's watermelon. Pineapple, sorry, it's pineapple ya. Pineapple comes from, can you explain, Nona?
Because the tree is a pine, the pine miss, the name, and this is a apple miss.
Yes, in bahasa pinus ya. Pinus and apple ya kan. Jadi di nyambung-nyambungkan like that ya. We make it combined so we have pineapple. Okay, good job. Next.
First miss, what is that?
Come on, second answer. No one? Are you give up? I think you have to know ya, what is this ya kan? Harus tahu dulu ini apa. If you don't know, tapi pasti bisa. Walaupun ini nggak tahu, ini cuma satu huruf. Okay, I give 5 seconds left ya. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, time's up. So the answer is orange. Ini dayung ya. In English we say or, O-A-R, O-A-R, or. Jadi digabung sama rain, orange. Tapi ada J-nya, jadi orange. Gitu. Nyambung nggak? Nyambung ya? No. Nyambung lah. O plus rain plus G. Orange. Jadi orange. Oke, disambung-sambungkan ya nak ya. Oke, come on, let's continue.
Strawberry.
Wow. Yes, got it ya. It's strawberry. Can you explain, Nicholas, how you come strawberry?
The first picture points a straw, and then a
Okay.
bear, and then E. Strawberry.
Yes. Oke, so pipet itu straw ya kan? Straw, bear, and E. Strawberry. Okay, good job. Next question, come on.
Mango.
Who's that? Mango. Okay, let's see ya. Is it true? Yes. Okay. Who can explain how come it's gonna be mango? Come on, who can explain?
Because have a man and the green at the street is become gomis.
Yes. Yang the green color kan, green light To show go ya, so man plus go, it's gonna be mango. Okay, good job all. Next question, be ready ya. Is it difficult?
Banana.
Okay, got it. Can you repeat it again, Nicholas?
The head of the pirate is called bandana, and the D is removed, so it makes banana.
Yes, minus D ya, minus D in here to say remove the letter D. So we remove. Okay, so it's gonna be banana, banana. Okay, it's coba Miss gambar ya. Bener nggak gambar Miss ini? Kayak cabe ya. Nah, gini. So it's gonna be banana. Okay, good job all. Okay, next ya. I think we have. Okay, masih ada waktu ya. Let's continue ya. Yes, banana.
Blackberry.
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 Okay, it's gonna be still easy ya. Because we already know kan. Kalau ini bear apa nama fruit yang bear kan? Selain strawberry, and then we have blackberry. Okay, good ya. It's gonna be black, and then bear, and plus E. So we combine them, we have blackberry. Okay, good job all. I think still we have ya. Okay, next question. gonna be grapes. Gray, plus S. Jadi gambar ini apa ya, nama lain dari seperti ini gambar apa ya kids ya? Kalau ini aduh kok harimau pula, simpanse apa sih? Gorila ya? Ah ya, something like that. Cuma dia kalau kemarin bisa lihat jawabannya itu, dia itu kayak ada ape-nya, entah gape, entah ape. Nah, setelah dikombine akhirnya plus S, we have grapes. Oke, Gracia jangan takut ya, it's okay, no need to chat. Di unmute aja ya nak ya. Oke, I think this is the last deh kayaknya ini ya. One more ya, one more, oke? Udah ini ya. Oke. Come on. What is this? Ayo, ingat aja nama buah, the name of fruit yang mirip-mirip lah. Oke, 10 seconds left ya, 10 detik lagi ya. Let's count together. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yay! Time's up. So the answer is okay, let's see ya. The answer is mana answer yes, peach. Buah peach. How come? Coba. Kalau dipikir-pikir, how come peach come from here? Anyone can guess?
Because that's big minus S.
Yeah, repeat again. Repeat please, Gracia.
Because that's big, we minus with S. And then
Yes.
yang mirip-mirip jadi peach.
Iya. Yang similar ya, yang mirip-mirip. So ini from speech ya, speech, and then we minus S. Jadi it's gonna be peach, buah peach. Okay, good job ya. Oh, I think we have the last ya, the last. This is the last. The last apa enggak ya? Yaudah, let's see. What is the answer of this? The name of fruit. Ya?
Lime.
Yes, lime. Correct ya, lime. So, how come? Can you explain? How come lime?
If we lie our nose, I think itu jadi panjang.
Iya, hidung panjang ya kan. The long nose is gonna be to show someone is lying ya. Kalau orang lagi berbohong kan nanti hidungnya makin panjang loh. Bagus lah ya kan, biar nggak pesek ya kan. Okay, and then we plus M, so we have lime. Okay, I promise this is the last. This is the last. Come on, this is the last. difficult?
Tomato.
Is that?
Nah,
Yes, the answer is tomato. Okay, please explain Nona how you get it.
Because the first picture is toe, and
Yes.
that is have May 1, 2012, and we plus again with the toe, become tomato.
Iya. Kuku kaki ya kan?
Tome.
Kuku. Tomato. Okay. So that's all ya kids ya for guessing the emoji. The clue is fruit. Jadi yang bisa can guess, most of you ya, congrats ya. Ini kita biar nggak kaku aja ya kan. Oke, so next time we will gonna have games like this ya. Tapi nanti Miss gantilah, jangan yang fruit lagi. Oke, if we still have time ya. Oke, stop share. Okay, so how was the game, kids? Is it too difficult for you or how? Are you still confused? How was the game? Coba, Miss mau dengar komennya. Atau itu terlalu difficult for grade 6 students?
a little bit.
a little bit ya. Okay, but that's okay ya. Itu untuk refreshing aja ya. Okay, so kids, now we continue ya. If you already seen our PDF learning, you might be know what's going now. Apa yang mau kita pelajari nak Harina?
Math project.
Yes, okay. So prepare yourself ya kids ya. I will explain, not do now. Kita nggak lakukan sekarang. I'll just explain and then you can prakteknya after this meeting and then we continue tomorrow ya. Karena kita masih banyak waktu. Okay, can you see my screen, kids? Can?
Yes.
Okay, yes ya. Okay. Okay, now we continue ya. Our math project is not making a video or recording yourself again, but now we have to investigate mean, median, and mode ya. Investigate mean, median, and mode. Kalau investigate, of course ya, kita nggak langsung dikasih tahu what is the mean, what is the mode, what is the median, but you have to investigate by yourself ya. Okay, how you solve that, how you do the project? First is you have to find your data, your favorite data, okay, in a book, but I think now you can find in internet ya, karena semua lebih mudah kalau we use internet, okay? Like this ya, I already find my data. The first is the number of goals scored by the top 10 Premier League players. Misalnya ini untuk boys ya kan. Jadi, and then I include the link. So the data is real. Jadi datanya bukan dibuat-buat nak, tapi the data is real from the website or from the news. Okay? Nah, another example, you can find the data of the weather forecast. Weather forecast is the perkiraan cuaca di Medan for the next 1 or 2 weeks. 2 minggu lagi cuaca itu seperti apa sih? Nah, you can find the link, you can find the data from this link. http://www.bmkg.go.id. And the data is real ya. Bukan dibuat 20 derajat, 21 derajat, not like that. But we can see from our link ya in here. Okay, and then you can find ya by googling or yeah, you can find from whatever you want the source ya, terserah sumbernya dari mana. Okay, so for example, if I click this link, nah if I click this link, okay, so this link apa ya benar? This website is gonna be appear. Jadi websitenya benar-benar ada. Jadi nanti ketika kamu dapatkan link, and then you put it into your project, if I click this link, jika misalnya nanti link yang kamu buat, itu harus benar. Okay, so this is the link. the weather forecast in Medan. Oke. Yang tadi juga kan ada the number of goals score ya by the top 10 Premier League Inggris ya kan, England ya. Jadi ini kalau Miss klik link ini hasilnya akan menjadi seperti ini, top score Liga Premier Inggris. Jadi ada data-datanya, data yang mana yang diambil ya ini, kalau kamu mau lihat goalnya berarti 21, 21, 20, 16, jadi ini nanti yang jadi datanya, nak, jadi angka-angkanya. Oke, sama seperti yang tadi, kalau misalnya yang suhunya itu, you click one by one, kalau in Sunday, the 2nd May, itu katanya suhunya 26 derajat Celcius. Kalau kamu klik lagi hari Senin, hari Selasa, itu akan ada angka-angkanya. You can find from that link. Okay? And then, after this, you might be wondering ya, terus datanya mau diapain Miss ya kan? What's gonna we do in that data? Okay, so we do exploration. Okay, exploration here means you answer this question, but not the exact. Maksud Miss itu nggak seperti tok gini pertanyaannya. You can arrange your question and then you can make your answer. Can you get it? For example, ya. Kalau misalnya di sini, okay, wait, I see Nicholas raise hand. Okay, come on, Nicholas, what's going on?
So nanti datanya nggak harus cuaca atau top score kan, Miss?
Ya, your data you can choose your favorite data. Misalnya kamu mau cari data yang lain, entah penggunaan skincare atau jumlah pemain TikTok di umur grade 6 ya kan, atau pokoknya up to you, it's about data, we analyze data. Jadi datanya terserah kamu ya nak ya. Nah, and make sure you can arrange your question from the data. Misalnya Miss di sini kan, Miss mengambil temperature ya, the weather forecast, perkiraan cuaca tadi. Nah, and then this is the example of the question that I can make to answer to get the mean, median, and mode. For example, what is the highest temperature this week? Nah, kalau data kamu pemain sepak bola kan nggak mungkin pertanyaan kamu what is the highest temperature this week, but maybe you can make what is the highest score, that from that data like that. Oke? Okay? Jadi kamu modify pertanyaannya, and then what is the lowest temperature kalau kamu cuaca. Tapi kalau misalnya kamu menggunakan skor bola, what is the lowest score? Oke, okay? The next is what is the middle temperature? Berarti kalau kamu pakai skor bola, kamu menggunakan pertanyaan yang what is the middle score? Ya kan? Pertanyaannya bukan harus ini ya nak ya. Ini just to guide you. Ini cuma sebagian kecil. And then what is the temperature that occur most frequently? Nah, misalnya nanti kamu lihat di cuaca itu, misalnya datanya hari Senin 20 derajat, hari Selasa 20 derajat, hari Rabu 21. And then you can see the temperature that occur most frequently. Data yang paling sering muncul, itu suhunya berapa. Oke. Okay? And then from the next question, what is the difference between the highest temperature and the lowest temperature? Tadi kan kamu sudah identify data tertinggi itu berapa, the lowest itu juga berapa, and then you can answer this question, what is the difference between? Difference itu artinya selisih ya nak ya. Berapa selisihnya antara data tertinggi dan data yang terendah. Oke, okay. Another question is how can you calculate the average or mean temperature in? Jadi di sini bisa kamu how you got the mean or average from your data. Jadi nanti kan kamu do ini ya, the formula how to find the mean or average. Okay. The next is, yes, of course, after you find your data, you know what is the highest score or the highest temperature, the lowest, the mean, the median, and the mode. You do like this cat. But not like that ya, tapi tetap anggun. Okay, you do like this, you open your laptop or your computer and then you make a laporan, report. Okay, The report is doing graph or graphic or chart. Okay, what's your question, Nicholas?
If I want to send a file through, if I want to send an Excel file through WhatsApp, it can't be opened. So it must be sent through email, Miss.
Okay, I get it. Okay, yep. If you have another file like Excel, ya kan, kalau misalnya nanti you cannot send by the WhatsApp web, you can send via email. Oke, berarti nanti Miss harus ini ya, ngasih email Miss ya. Oke, later I announce to you ya kids ya, what is the mail, okay? And then this is the example from the graph that I already made. Tadi kan Miss udah ambil tuh data dari website bmkg.go.id tadi, ya kan, from Sunday to Saturday, tanggal 2 Mei sampai 8 Mei. And then I got that Sunday katanya suhunya 30 derajat Celsius, ya kan. On Monday is 27 derajat Celsius. Oke, and so on, dan seterusnya. This graph, this chart I make from PowerPoint. Okay, so if you can by using Excel or in the Word, Microsoft Word, or also Microsoft PowerPoint, you can do ya by yourself. Okay. Any questions so far about this graph, kids? You can choose your favorite graph ya, nak. Ya, nggak mesti yang bar, nggak mesti yang kotak-kotak seperti ini, but you can choose line graph or pie yang kayak lingkaran. It's up to you, okay? And then you can edit the color, the font, also and the background, okay? Okay, and this is for example yang skor tadi. Kalau skor tadi berarti I put the name and also the score. Si Oli, ya kan? Si Oli katanya dia skor golnya itu 12. Si Ikai 12. Si Jamie 13. Okay, so from this table I know, oh ternyata the top score itu si Harry Kane. Karena si Harry Kane got 21 goals. Wow. And the lowest score is si Oli because he got just 12 goal. Okay. And this graph I made in PowerPoint. Miss buat ini juga di PowerPoint, Miss editnya juga di PowerPoint. Okay. The color, the shape, ya kan? Kan beda karena bentuk graph ini kan barnya horizontal ya. But in the first picture is vertical. Jadi itu up to you, nak. Terserah kamu ya. Okay. And then I will continue. Okay. After you make the graph, of course, you have to explain what you get from that graph and also what you got from the exploration tadi, pertanyaan-pertanyaan tadi. Ya, okay. You can answer, okay, you can answer the question tadi and also what you get from the graph. You can make it into your explanation and conclusion. Jadi kamu bebas nak mengerti apa di explanation kamu. Oh, so I got from the table that the highest score is blank blank blank. Oke, yang paling jago berarti si ini. Like that. Kalau kamu talk about your score. Kalau misalnya talk about the suhu, oh berarti 2 weeks later, 2 minggu lagi, the weather show it's gonna be rain, so we have to prepare. Up to you kids, up to you ya. Jadi ini bukan sekedar cuma angka math 1 by 1, 1 plus 1, not like that, but you can explore apa yang bisa kamu gali dari data-data yang kamu dapatkan. Okay, and then okay, after you type your answer and you make your graph, you do this. Kamu menjawab pertanyaan itu nak juga di PowerPoint kamu. Jadi di PowerPoint itu misalnya you make in PowerPoint ya, atau in Excel atau in Word. Di dalam satu file itu nak kamu jawab semua pertanyaannya, and then Oke, the first step is tadi your data and link. Jadi nanti di file itulah kamu sertakan, Miss, this is my data. And also dalam kurung, in the bracket, you input the link. Jadi pastikan kalau link itu diklik, itu bisa ini anak ya, bisa nyambung ya. And then the second is exploration. Exploration ini tadi yang bagian answer the question, yang pertanyaan-pertanyaan tadi. And then apalagi Miss yang kita input? The third is don't forget to make the graph. Ya kan? And the last is your explanation and your conclusion from your data. Jadi ada 4 part yang mesti ada. Your data and link, the valid link ya, the valid link, exploration, graph, and explanation, and also conclusion. Remember ya kids ya, be kreatif ya nak ya, jangan polos-polos sekali nak ya. Miss aja udah Miss usahakan ini, aneh-aneh Miss buat PowerPoint Miss, biar lebih kreatif. Okay, any questions so far, kids? PPT. Okay. To answer the question, kamu bisa nak buat di PowerPoint atau you can type in Word juga bisa. Misalnya kamu buat tabel kamu, your graph in Excel, and then you cut, ya kan bisa kan di copy nak tabelnya, you move, you paste to Microsoft Word or Microsoft PowerPoint. Iya, can ya. Jadi kamu bisa menjawabnya itu you can do this just on one file. Okay, ya Nona.
Miss, I want to ask Miss. I
Yes.
do at the WPS Miss at the handphone. Can I do that Miss at my handphone, not at the computer or laptop?
Oh, yes, if your handphone is capable for that, jika HP kamu bisa untuk membuat graph atau seperti itu in your handphone, ya kan? Atau mungkin kamu lebih luas menggunakan handphone, it's up to you. The most important is you can send this, the data, exploration, graph, and explanation. Ya, Miss belum pernah. Iya, Miss, tapi Miss belum pernah coba WPS itu di handphone to make the graph gitu. Tapi if you can, just try, okay? Okay. Okay, you're welcome. Just okay, so nggak sedap rasanya kalau kamu nggak tahu kan apa yang mau Miss nilai dari project kamu. Okay, this is ini berlaku untuk semua project ya. Wait ya, Miss baca komen-komen, jadi Miss harus agak-agak berhenti sejenak, oke? Okay? Miss buat PDF Miss selama ini PPT Miss, bisa dibuat di Canva Miss. This is the question, bisa dibuat di Canva? Ini pertanyaan atau gimana? If this question, yes, you can make in Canva also. Ya, jadi terserah kamu, nak kamu mau buat di PowerPoint, di PDF, atau dalam bentuk Word, tapi pastikan graph-nya ada gitu. Kalau kamu mau buat di Canva, it's okay. Okay, and the project, misalnya dari project itu seperti ini, nah, the accuracy. The accuracy itu ketelitian, ketepatan. Jadi kalau misalnya Miss nanti buka linknya, terus Miss lihat data yang ada di link is different with the data in your project. Berarti udah mulai mengarang bebas ini, ya kan? Nah, itu berarti sudah tidak akurat. And it's about the content. Remember, content ini tadi yang mana? Harus ada yang Miss bilang tadi. The content is yang ini tadi. Harus ada data link, ada exploration, ada graph, and explanation. Kalau kamu miss graph, kamu nggak buat graph-nya, berarti nilai kamu berkurang. Kalau misalnya kamu nggak menjelaskan explanation-nya, berarti nilainya juga tidak full, tidak perfect, tidak lengkap ya nak ya. It's about the content. And creativity, 30%. Ini Miss ambil kreatifnya itu, jadi it's not only math ya nak ya. Kita kan ini menggabungkan STEAM, ya kan? Science, Technology, Mathematics, Engineering. Jadi Miss mengambilkan teknologinya. How you can use your technology like Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, or Excel, and Internet, or Canva, or another. to improve this project. Jadi kalau misalnya projectnya polos-polos kan sayang nak, ini harus kreatif. You can design as you want, ya kan? Kan nggak capek ya kan nak? Okay, I think that's all that I can explain to you. If you have any question, feel free to ask kids before we end this meeting. Yes, selama ini, yes.
Itu Miss kan Miss bilang ada questionnya kan Miss. Itu ditulis questionnya atau jawabannya aja Miss langsung di PPT-nya?
Itu you have to make the question karena setiap data itu berbeda. Kalau kamu cuma buat jawabannya 30 misalnya, Miss bingung apa nih yang 30 ini? Gitu. Apakah the lowest?
Enggak Miss, jawabannya kayak ada penjelasannya gitu juga Miss. Jadi the data of the sepak bola ini Miss gini-gini Miss gitu Miss. Jadi nggak langsung jawab.
Ya, boleh. But to make sure you have to make the question juga nak. Nggak apa-apa ya, Miss minta buat questionnya ya, biar Miss tahu kan ini juga you have to explore how to make the question and your answer. Mana tadi pertanyaan Miss? Aduh, pusing Miss.
Pertanyaannya topiknya harus sama dengan yang Miss tulis itu.
No, tidak sama nak. But you can modify. Ini kan bisa kamu modifikasi, bisa putar-putar as you want. For example, what is the highest? Tapi pastikan nak, nanti pertanyaannya itu nanti dari pertanyaan itu ada nanti dia mengandung what is the mode, what is the mean, and what is the median. Coba dari pertanyaan ini yang Miss buat di sini, ada nggak di sini kira-kira yang menanyakan mean, median, and mode?
Ada Miss, mean.
Okay. Mean yang gelas ini ya, how to calculate the average. Okay, mean. What about mode? Ada nggak di sini sebenarnya Miss menanyakan mode tapi Miss nggak to the point? Which one? Ada ya, you can explore nanti. Ada nggak di sini Miss menanyakan median? Number 3, 1, 2, 3. This is the middle temperature. Is to ask the median kan?
Yes.
So nanti kamu questionnya seperti ini juga nak, tapi tergantung data kamu. Jangan kamu buat skor bola tapi kamu buat temperatur pertanyaannya, kan sudah tidak nyambung. Okay? Okay, another question kids about this project? No? Okay, so I can stop share ya. Okay, so tomorrow we still do this project ya. Jadi after this class, kamu udah bisa nih searching your data. Okay, and tomorrow we will praktek. Kita bakal praktek coba gimana buat in how to make the graph in Microsoft Excel like that, and also how to answer the question. Tapi again, you have to prepare your data, harus ada dulu datanya. And I will to explain to you kids juga ya. Ini minggu banyak project nak. Jadi manfaatkanlah waktunya ya. Jangan main-main ya nak. Ya ada 3 tempat project in this week. Karena kelas 6 kan beda sendiri ya kan. Oke. Kalau wait ya, ada yang nanya. Kirim ke Miss bisa dibuat dalam bentuk video Miss. So dalam bentuk video itu maksudnya you explain your PowerPoint or your data and record like that. Kalau misalnya maksudnya seperti itu bisa ya nak ya. Tapi menjelaskannya harus nampak juga datanya gitu. Jangan just like selfie and then explain like the last project, not like that. But show the data. Okay? Okay, tomorrow we will explain more ya nak ya. Kita ya kayak share screen. Yes. Ya, bisa. Miss, send the record to Zoom ya, Miss. Maksudnya apa nih? Send record to Zoom. What did you mean, Hillary? Apa maksudnya, nak?
Miss kan nge-record Zoom-nya, Miss. Dikirim ke
Okay. I get it. Okay, I will send the link, ya. Okay, I think that's all for today, kids. We will discuss more tomorrow. Prepare your data, okay? And before we end this meeting, please give your emoji. Okay? Okay. Not yet all, belum semua. Okay, please smile to the camera. Okay, Miss hilang. 1, 2, and 3, smile. Okay, that's all for today, kids. Thank you for joining this meeting. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. Bye-bye all. Bye-bye.